is a freaking spider inside of this croc. Hello and welcome to part 3 of my closet declutter series. In this series, I have been going through every single item in my closet and getting rid of things in an attempt to love every single item in my closet and hone in on my unique personal style. It has been a long journey so far. We've gone through my clothes, we've gone through my purses, and today we are finally tackling my shoes. I admit that I've been really putting this off because I'm scared and I don't know what today is gonna hold, but I'm feeling eager and ready to finally go through these shoes. If you missed the first 2 parts of this series, I will have them all linked in a playlist down below for you, so make sure you check those out. Let's get started on some shoes. What are my goals with this project? Well, number 1 is to love all of the shoes in my collection. To achieve a feeling of peace and ease when I look into my closet and style outfits. To eliminate excess clutter and stress from my life. And to make room for new shoes to enter my collection. Criteria I will be using to make decisions. Does this represent my unique personal style? The style we are going for is whimsical, fairy, and girly with a touch of spookiness, thinking like Tim Burton-esque vibes. Will I wear the shoes? Do they fit and are they comfortable? Will I regret not having them in the future? Do they make someone else happier? And are they burdening my soul? I feel like this is a really important concept to think about while you're decluttering. Is the thought of holding onto this item weighing on my spirit? Do I feel a heaviness inside when I think about owning it? And do I almost feel a feeling of relief in the thought of not having to own this item anymore? If the answer to these questions is yes, then it is burdening my soul and it's time to let it go. It is finally time to tackle my shoe collection. I know that there are some shoes I'm ready to get rid of. Let's dig them all out so we can take a look at what we have. So down here is where I keep most of my shoes. I have these little bamboo racks that are in the bottom of my closet, and then I have some boots over here. It's completely full and I have room for no more shoes, which I don't like, so I want to get rid of some. I also have some shoes in my husband's closet. That looks terrible. These are more of like my dressy shoes that I don't wear as much. Looks like someone else might need to do a shoe declutter. We both have a problem. There is a freaking spider inside of this croc. That's shameful. Yes, I still do have the bear slippers, in case you were wondering. Oh my, oh my. This is gonna be really hard, I can already tell. How many pairs of boots does one girl really need? Almost there. Okay, I'm gonna go get the ones out of the other closet and we'll get started. Literally sweating. Okay, all of the shoes are taken out in my studio. Looking at this feels kind of overwhelming. I feel like I do not want to own this many pairs of shoes. I definitely feel like I'm ready to let some of these go. It just feels like a lot. It's almost taking up a quarter of my studio right now. Now I'm also including slippers in this, but still, this is just a little out of hand. Wow, this seems like a lot of shoes to go through. I'm definitely feeling the most anxious about this declutter compared to the clothes and the purses. I don't know why I feel scared to let go of shoes. I feel like I have kind of a scarcity mindset around having the shoes. I saw someone on TikTok say that not wanting to get rid of things in fear that you might need it can actually be a form of a scarcity mindset because you're feeling like you're never going to be able to get it back again if you get rid of it. And the truth is, I want to feel like if I get rid of something, it's okay because I could replace it or afford to buy something new because I'm working on developing more of an abundance mindset when it comes to my finances. We're not living in scarcity. This is such a mess. I'm gonna try to do this in categories. I did not put the shoes in here in an organized fashion, so that's something I'm gonna have to deal with now. Let's start with boots. I live in Ohio. It snows a lot. It's cold. We have pretty much every kind of weather throughout the year that you could imagine in Ohio. It goes from snowing to raining to hot. It's just everything all over the place. So I do need a lot of different things to wear. Boots being one of them. These were actually a gift from James. I wanted these so bad. Jeffrey Campbell Space Cowgirl boots. I've only worn these a few times. I wish I wore them more. I think these are gonna be a keep. These are probably my favorite boots that I own. My pink moon boots. James got me these for Christmas last year and I absolutely love them. They're so cute. They're so warm. They're so fun. I feel like such a badass when I wear these. Love them. So definite keep. These are my everyday boots. These are in very poor condition. I think I've been wearing them for almost 7 or 8 years. There's a hole in the back. Oh my God, I did not realize it was that bad. These are falling apart. Moo, I think is how you say it. M-O-U. I find these to be a good replacement for Uggs. I think they're just a little nicer nicer quality and I like the stitching on them. I just think they're really cute. I am just gonna keep these until I get a new pair. They're just getting me through the rest of this winter in Ohio. It's been really bad weather here. I almost bought another pair this year, but I couldn't pull the trigger because they're like $400. These were my original pair. I wore these for so long. You can see how worn they are on the back. These are so dusty. I should probably get rid of these. I think what I might do with these is put them in my storage unit, which is my closet at my parents' house. So shameful, but I shove things in there that I don't want to deal with. Technically a keep, but I'm gonna put them in the declutter pile. I really don't wear these enough. I don't know why I don't, because they're really cute. I think I might bust these out and start wearing them more instead of those ratty other boots I have. Okay, I'm not getting rid of a lot, but boots are my weakness, so just bear with me. I wore these when I was a server at a brewery when it got cold in the winter. I think I'm ready to say goodbye to these. They're just reminding me of when I worked there and I don't really like how they make me feel. And they're feeling kind of like a burden to me to have them around. Gonna let these go. Goodbye to you. All right, I feel like once you start getting rid of some, you kind of get on a roll and it gets easier. I have another black pair of the Moo boots. I should just start wearing these every day instead of the other ones. These look a lot better. So keep heavy duty Sorel snow boots. I think I've had these for like a decade. These are just really nice. I love the Sorel boots. I think they're really cute. If you want a nice pair of winter boots, highly recommend these. My Hunter rain boots. I absolutely love these. If you don't own rain boots, it's actually a really nice thing to just have a pair of rain boots so that when it's raining, you can just have your feet be dry. Just be an adult and put the rain boots on. Trust me, you'll thank me later. I love the gold hardware on these. I hate to say it, but my funeral boots. I wear these like if I have to go to a funeral in the winter or something like that. Nice just to have a pair of black boots. Okay, I know it seems like I'm keeping most of the boots. Most of the year here is cold and I do wear all of these. All white Doc Martens. Okay, keep. Oh my. Everyone's posting their 2016 pictures. I would have been wearing these in mine. These floral Doc Martens, I thought these were everything. It would pain me to get rid of these. I don't know why I'm so attached to the clothes I wore around that time. I think I'm gonna archive these, take them out of my everyday rotation and just put them in my archive section under my bed where I hoard things that I don't wear but I don't want to get rid of. Someday I'm gonna have to deal with that, but I'm hoping that someday I have a big enough closet that I can just display my 20 teens wardrobe in there. These are technically kind of like a hybrid boot sneaker. These are really nice. I don't know why I don't wear these more. I got them for Christmas last year. Last time I wore these, this annoying man told me that I look like I was from the future, like Back to the Future. And I said, it is the future. Keep. That was all of our boots. Feeling good. I'm thinking let's go through my heels. Admittedly, I try to avoid wearing heels at all costs. I'm just not really good at walking in them. I also feel like they make me a lot taller than my husband when I put them on. I just don't need all these heels. These heels I bought at a bin store. I've never worn them. They're very uncomfortable. I'm gonna say goodbye. They're just not me. I don't like them. Goodbye. These were really cute at the time, but they have seen better days and I haven't worn them in years. I really don't think I would miss these and I feel like they could make someone else happier. So I'm gonna say goodbye. These I know I'm ready to get rid of. I bought these at an estate sale when I was feeling squirrely and I've never worn them. They honestly look like Barbie shoes. I need a clear plastic shoe. I really don't think I do. Goodbye. That's a tough one. Some black heels that I thrifted. I feel like I should have a black heel in my wardrobe just in case, but I've never worn them and the just in case time has never come. I'm gonna get rid of them. I'm living in abundance. If a situation comes up where I really need a black heel, pretty sure I can get one. Wow, that felt good. I like how the back of these is a triangle. I'm gonna keep these. I feel like they're classy. They could come in handy. I must have bought these for a wedding or something. I find these very pretty. I'm gonna keep them. Oh my God. I bought these for our engagement photo shoot. They're really pretty. I think I'm gonna hang on to these a little longer. I like the bows. Okay, so keeping 3 heels, got rid of 3. That feels good. These have done their time. These have gotten me through multiple weddings and they are beat up. I think I'm ready to say goodbye. Feels good to let these go. It really does. This still has a ratty Goodwill tag on the bottom. I should be so ashamed of myself for this. I don't think they're really reflecting who I want to be moving forward. And I think I can just do better than this and they really don't mean anything to me. So goodbye. My pile is growing. We're doing so good. I actually really like these. I think they're really cute. They're the Circus by Sam Edelman. I don't wear them a ton, but they're just kind of nice to have in your wardrobe if you want to throw a cute little flat on. I'm keeping them. Oh my God, I cannot believe I still have these heels. I got these when I was in college in like 2011. These are so dusty. Does anybody remember these Jeffrey Campbell heels? These were everything. I thought I was so cool when I got these with the little cutouts in the side. I never wear these, but I just have to keep them because they just remind me so much of that time. Next, let's do sandals and summer shoes. I really, really like these sandals. I think these are the first ones where I'm feeling so incredibly torn. They're really cute. However, I don't feel like they're fitting in with the personal style that I want to portray. Even though they're cute and nice, they're also feeling a little bit of a burden to me. And I think maybe someone else could enjoy and wear them a lot more than me. I think I'm gonna let these go. I might ask my friend if she wants these. I feel like she might actually like them. Wow, this feels really hard for some reason, but I do feel like it's time to say goodbye. Making room for the new. Tarot card flip-flops. I think I will keep these just because they're my only pair of flip-flops, and if I go to the beach or something, it might be nice to wear them. Aviana's brand, I feel like these are kind of expensive. Okay, I'm gonna keep them. I can have one pair of flip-flops. I have worn these pink Adidas slides so much. I think I've had them for multiple years and I just love them. I think I can get another year or two of wear out of them. I just keep cleaning them with my magic eraser and they keep hanging on. Definitely keeping. I think it might be time to say goodbye to these. I bought these as a potential wedding shoe and they didn't work out and I never returned them. And so I just ended up wearing them as my sandals all last summer. And these are foul and nasty and disgusting. And I think I'm gonna throw them away. I feel like I deserve better than this. I really don't want to wear these again next year. These were super trendy a few years ago, these kind of slides. I don't want these. I'm gonna let them go. And the layer of dust on here is a definite indication that I don't need these. So gonna donate. Done with sandals. Let's do sneakers. Oh my God, my legs are going to sleep. Oh, getting too old to sit on the floor like this. These are my athletic running shoes. Adidas are just my favorite sneakers. They just fit my feet the best. So I'm just an Adidas girl when it comes to sneakers. Keep knockoff pink Chuck Taylors. I actually did wear these a lot last spring and summer. They're just kind of a cute little basic shoe to throw on if you want to look kind of cute and comfy. Hanging on to these. These have admittedly seen better days, these white Adidas sneakers, but these are like one of my favorite shoes I've ever owned. If you have any tricks to get these back to white, like on the fabric part, let me know. I'll probably hang on to these. I think I can get another year of wear out of them if I clean them up. That was actually all my sneakers. I only have 3 pairs of sneakers. I have 2 pairs of Crocs that we're gonna look at. Please ignore how filthy these are. I never thought I would be a Croc girl. They're the Croc Echoes, I think is what they're called. So they're a little different than the traditional Croc. And I have gotten a ton of wear out of these. If you've ever seen the movie Idiocracy, everybody in that movie is wearing Crocs. And the fact that I am now wearing Crocs makes me feel like that movie is becoming way too real, which is really scary. Keeping the Crocs. Oh my goodness. My waitress Crocs. I think I kept these thinking I might become a waitress again and need them. I'm gonna bank on that not happening. If I do, I can just get new ones. Feels really good to say goodbye to these. Our final category is going to be slippers. I am obsessed with slippers. I love wearing slippers as my regular shoes. These I used to wear a lot. These are so dirty and old and I didn't wear them all last year. And I feel like this was something that I just hung on to out of that scarcity mindset about like, well, what if? I think I'm ready to let go. And these are my current moccasin slippers. I love just wearing these around the house. I wear them out and about. They're just so comfy. I like the mini Tonka moccasins are some of my favorite. Gonna hang on to them for now. These are some slippers I thrifted. I think I was thinking I would wear these as actual shoes with an outfit. Will I be sad if I get rid of these? I think I'm gonna say goodbye. As hard as it is, I just don't need them. Here is an example of slippers I actually wear as shoes. I don't know what you would even call these. They're like a slide slipper. I love this style with the little feathers on them. I just think they're so fun and it makes me feel like Tinkerbell when I wear them. I actually wore these to my brother's wedding. They had a costume wedding wedding and I was a fairy. I still actually wear these quite a bit. These were actually my wedding shoes. I wore slippers under my dress at my wedding and it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. I was so comfortable. You couldn't even see my feet. Gotta keep these for the memories. These were a gift from my sister-in-law. They say Mrs. T. I actually wore these when I was getting ready at my wedding. T is my husband's last name, which I still have not changed my name. I need to do that. Honestly, these are so tight on my feet. I don't know if I'll ever wear them. And I do have pictures of me wearing them. Is it crazy if I get rid of these? I'm gonna get rid of them. I feel crazy. I am not against getting rid of something that was a gift. Sorry if you've ever given me a gift and I've gotten rid of it. I might have. This is actually my third pair of these. I love these fuzzy, like Birkenstock style slippers. They're just from Amazon. And I wear these to death. I love wearing these around the house because I can wear them just out on the porch when I have to let my dog out. And they're just so comfy and cute. Who remembers these? My bear slippers from one of my first videos. I never wear these. They sit in the back of my closet and I forget about them. I think after this video, I'm gonna leave them out and wear them. My teddy bears. I am going to be keeping my bear slippers because as we know, I paid way too much money for these to ever get rid of them. They'll always just remind me of when I first started my YouTube channel. My new slippers James got me for Christmas that I've been wearing throughout this video. They're from Steve Madden and they're so warm and comfortable. I love them. I feel like I need to put the bears on just for old time's sake. Da 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 da. It feels so good to be done going through the shoes. That was actually really hard and I'm feeling tired. It feels good. Oh my God, my legs are asleep. Oh. Here are all of the shoes that we are keeping. This feels actually really good and it feels like a normal-ish amount of shoes to have. And I really like all of them. There's not anything here that feels like a burden. There's nothing I feel like, oh, I wish I would have got rid of that. Here are all of the shoes that we're decluttering. We are getting rid of 16 pairs of shoes today. I cannot believe it. This feels so good. Bye, everybody. Been nice knowing you. Oh, wow. What a journey that was. I don't think I realized I had that many shoes. I did put all of my shoes back in the closet and they fit so much better. I just love that feeling of after you declutter, putting this stuff away and it just fitting and feeling like a rejuvenated space and just so much more open. I have some room if I wanted to get something else. It feels really good. When I was bagging up the shoes I was decluttering, I did change my mind about the Mrs. T slippers. I just had a hard time putting them in the bag and I do have room to keep them. So I did change my mind about these. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me of decluttering my closet. Like I said, if you missed the first two videos, make sure you go check those out. There is one thing I have not gone through, which is my hats. I'm thinking I might do those on like a short form video just because I don't know if I have enough to film a full video of the hats. Keep an eye out for that in the future. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. I will be back soon. Let me know if you think I did a good job or not. I feel like I did pretty good. Feeling pretty proud of myself and it feels really good to just let things go that I've been hanging on to that just are not serving me anymore. And so far I have not regretted getting rid of anything from the previous two declutters. Fingers crossed I feel the same about the shoes. I will see you very soon for my next video. Until then, please remember that you are special, beautiful, and magical, and I love you so much. Bye.